everybody. Today you will be seeing sets made by me, trains, train stations, and schedules. When I was making my drafts, I was trying to make the first video, and it didn't work so although that you see this here, it's just a part of what I was showing. So this is the battery box right here, and then this is the receiver, and that's how the train works. So when I just point it, I have to make sure that it's down here. I have to make sure that this can match with that. You see? It moves simultaneously with the track. Okay. I'll show you what the inside of the train looks like. Okay, the inside of the train looks like this. That's how the inside of the engine looks. The engine just feels like all the stuff, all this electronic stuff. But the second car just built. It was pretty much like a regular car. No electronics, no gizmos, no gadgets. Just straight train. Oh man. Okay. Be right with you on this. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. Oh man. Okay. I'll be done. I'm so sorry about this, that it took longer. Okay. Let me just build back what I built before so it can look original, like the original set before I took it apart, so you can view a visual of how this train looks. Ah, man. Sometimes I get stressed out with these things because these tend to get out of hand a bit. But I keep my cool. From time to time. And I don't try to get mad. Let me just pause this. I showed you the first car. I'll show you the second car. The second car is just the door on the side. It isn't that big of a deal. Just train with windows and stuff. Just the inside is just plain. So there's no need for me to show you that and go through all that confusion. Okay. Next, I have another part to present. Hold on. Oh God. Okay. Now I'll take you to the station. This is what the station looks like. So the station's pretty much like a regular station. It has the platform. It's an indoor platform. The platform's like right here, and then you have. Okay, so this hole right here is pretty much. Well, remember those doors? Remember those doors on the side of the train? Yeah, so it kind of like the doors kind of like open when the train is in the station. So it's like that. So the doors open up. I lined it up with the train doors. So I'll just give you a little info about how I thought of this. First, I was thinking about when my bunk bed was removed. I thought about making a train. So I thought about making a station. I actually thought about making a train first, then the station worked on. So I worked on the station first, and after I built the first platform for the station, I started working on the train. So I first got one car, I built it up, and then I designed it, and then I worked on the second car, which is I worked as usual in the regular train instructions for the Lego. You'd build the engine first. Well, I kind of got it twisted, and it's pretty much like I did the second car first, and then the engine came last. Okay. Probably have to split this video in two. Oh, shucks. Okay, so this is my second station. This station is a switch track because this station is a switch track so that the express train on the other side, which is with a switch track, it doesn't go to this train. Yeah, it doesn't open up, so it's just gonna stay there, it's just gonna stay there. The train just runs right past the station. This is the only station that doesn't take express trains, because the other station, it's all about express trains right there. But this one, just regularly a Lego train, regularly a Lego train station that doesn't take express trains. Okay, now I just have a little more things to give you. I drew some of the boards that I broke earlier. I'm gonna go find more. Of the boards so I can show you the full examination of what I made and drew. I have a lot of boards, so I kind of had a lot of things to do with these boards. And since I was going to draw them out, I decided I draw for my Lego trains. At first it was for my Bockley trains, but since my Bockley trains don't work like how we used to anymore, I just decided to switch it up, just make it into Lego trains. And in case I didn't explain, this is the Amtrak. You guys know about the Amtrak? I know. But I tried my best to make this. Okay, so it turns out I'm missing a couple little schedules. I'm missing the January schedule. The I'm missing the January schedule, February schedule, March schedule, and that's all the schedules I'm missing because I made 8 schedules. I have April, May, June, July, August. I don't know where the others went. I could have swore I had them. As a matter of fact, don't worry about that right now. I'll just show the stations like that. I'll just show the ones that are present with me. Okay, so I'll go in order for the ones that I actually have with me. I don't know how I lost them, but I worked on the May first. I worked on the May one first. So at first the May was for like 2015, but then I changed it to 2016 because it's a new year. Okay, this is the April schedule. It says April schedule Amtrak 2016. No trains New York through Wilmington. Weekends. Delays 20 to 30 minutes northbound. Crash near DC. Transfer to BART or Metro train. All trains April 7th. For May, since May was the first one I made, well, it has the most stuff. Okay, May schedule. May schedule Amtrak 2016. No trains Hoboken and Penn Station. No trains 10 p.m. through 6 p.m. 10 a.m. through 6 p.m. weekdays. Delays Hartford and delays Hartford through Philadelphia. 1 to 2 hours. May 6th through 12th. No trains Wilmington and Boston. And weekends. No trains 2 through 5 weekends. Delays 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Delays 5 to 10 minutes. Memorial Day, all trains. Oh, I gotta get June now. And just so you didn't know, June is the day of my birthday. Wait, June is the month of my birthday. My birthday is on June 2nd, 2016, Friday. Okay, June schedule Amtrak. No trains Philadelphia through Baltimore weekends. Weekdays. Take Greyhound bus. Delays 5 to 20 minutes Penn Station, Pennsylvania. All trains on my birthday. 6/2/16. That's going to be 10 years ago. My birthday was going to be 10 years ago. 10 years old I'm turning. Okay, July schedule 2016. No trains Wilmington through Baltimore. Weekends. Crash in Trenton through Penn Station going all the way. Take New Jersey Transit. No trains 7 p.m. through 11 p.m. weekdays. Delays 15 to 35 minutes northbound. All trains 7/23 and July 4th. No trains on 7/26. That's my dad's birthday. And now, all your schedule 2016. I gotta stop this video. See you in the next video.